So you've decided to choose Clickbank.com as your payment processor? Well, I'm going to show you how to create a Clickbank product as a Clickbank vendor. There are three things that I want to show you in this video. Number one, how to add a product item to your Clickbank.com account. Number two, how to create the Clickbank payment button. And number three, how to add the button to your sales page. So to get started with Clickbank, all you need to do is log into your Clickbank account. You need to go to my account and fill out all your details, update your information, your social security information and all that. And also you need to choose whether or not you want to be paid by check or you want to be paid by direct deposit, which means they put the money directly into your bank account. I chose direct deposit because it's a lot easier than waiting for a check, having to go to a bank and deposit it. So that's a nice little feature just to know. Now, after that, go to my site, which I'm at right now. This is basically the information you need to give to Clickbank.com in relation to your product so that when they put your product into the marketplace, they know things like the title, the description, and things like that. Once you're done with that, you can go to My Products. And this is where you basically add products to your account. You can add many products. You can do a lot more products, more than one product, which is nice once you get your first product approved. And I'll talk a little bit more about that in a minute. Now, you have two choices. You can either set up a standard product or a recurring billing product. Now, the difference between these two is the standard product is just like a one-time front-end offer. The recurring billing product is a monthly product or quarterly product. Now, in this video series, I'm going to do a standard product. So all you have to do to add the new product is scroll to the right, click on Add New Product, and then as you can see, you've got the standard product editor. The item is basically automatic, so you don't need to mess with that. The thank you page is basically your download page, and my currency is USD, US dollars, so I'm going to leave that be. The product price, and we have the language and the product title. Now, fortunately, I have all this information right now, so like I said, the only thing you really need is the price, the title, and of course the thank you page. So I'm going to take the thank you page here as I've already have it, and I'm going to paste it here. Then the product price is $37, and of course the product title is the video marketing video series. Once that is done, all I have to do is click Save Changes. Now, the only thing I do need is to make sure that I know that the item number is 37. So item equals 37. That's the only thing I'm going to need to know for future reference. So once I do that, I can click Save Changes. If I scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll notice that I have it here. So I've added this product, and it's called the Video Marketing Video Series for $37. Now, you'll notice that it says approved right here, right? Well, if you have never added any Clickbank product to your account, and this is your first time, then you're not going to see it approved. It just happens that I've had my account since 2004, and I've been selling lots and lots of products that they've approved me. So initially, keep in mind that it's not going to say approved. You have to get your thing approved. Now, for more information on how to get approved, if you click on this link all the way at the top, it'll forward you to this page. And the page is about Get Started as a Vendor. So basically, before you get it approved, you need to make sure that your thank you page works and your front end page works as well. So you need to sign up for a ClickBank account, assuming by now you've already have that, your pitch page and your thank you page. Now your pitch page is basically your sales page, and you just need to go through and follow their guidelines and make sure that you are complying with their terms and service. So just go through here, make sure your pitch page has a detailed description of the product, the cost of the product, and recurring billing products, we're not dealing with that right now because I have a standard product, the file format, and all this other information. Like how long will the delivery take? Then your thank you page needs to have all this other information as well. You basically have to have everything done before you get approved, because a live person actually goes to your page and looks at it to make sure that you actually are in compliance. You also need to make a payment link. So remember how I mentioned that the number 37 was important because that was our item? Well, you basically replace this text with the item number. So my number is number 37, and my nickname is ebooks for Y. So that would be my payment link, or the location of where the payment button is. Basically that needs to go there. Then you go through here and just make sure everything else is in compliance. And once you've done that, you need to pay a $49.95 activation charge. Now this is only if you have your first product. Every product after that, it does not cost $49.95. And once you've followed all this, then you can apply for it and try to get approval. Now pay a close attention to this link because we're going to need it in just a second. We have the payment link. I can actually edit my sales page. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to name this indexcb.html, just because I'm creating two different HTML files, a CB and a pay.com in this example. So go ahead and right click and open with NVU. And this is actually quite easy. You're going to be surprised how easy this is. And what I'll do is I'll scroll down to the bottom, and all I need to do is double click this or click on this and click link, and then enter that link here, and that's it. Now going back to their payment FAQ, if you don't have any payment buttons, you can actually use theirs, and all you have to do is right click, save image as. Just make sure you click the mouse right on the image, and that's all you have to do.